So today our topic is about Google Script and the small SU team backlinking progress tracking sheet, how we can manipulate or how we can get the DA, DR, and the lost and the live link of that. Let me just show you a quick sheet over here. For example, if your team is working on some keywords and the link, and you want to check by automatically from the Google sheet instead of writing checking the link from the you know uh, DA checker or whatever. So what DA is this? And you also want to update the live and lost link of the our sheet status. So what you need to do, first of all, you might need to make a sheet that will have these fields, for example, keyword and the status DRDA. That is not a standard template, but you can just follow this in this video. So let me just open a Google sheet over there, and we will use Moz API for that purposes, obviously. And I'm just gonna make a new sheet that will be our backlink tracker and backlink performance, whatever we can just call this. For example, we can just say backlink tracker, and then pasting this all links over here. These are the headers, and we are just going to make a drop down to make it in more easy to see. Like I can just first use the choose one and the live one, and it could be green, and another one that will be lost or remove. Okay, and it would be red. Okay, and then after that, whatever the link you need to put that out. Let's say I'm just taking a small example of that and copying some link, for example here, like this way, and pasting in our new sheet like this way, and make it a little bit bigger. So here I need to make a Google sheet with the app script where it will automatically check our DA from the Moz API. Obviously, you need to go to the Moz API. That would be our here. This is our API area. You need to get the token from here. So I have my account of, and I have the token already created. So you need to go to the moz.com API and dashboard. After that, you will get the and generated token from the API, and probably it's a free account obviously, so it will give you some free request up to 50, but this is for the demonstration purpose obviously, so I'm just using for this right now. So what you need to do now, if you just see here, we have to go to the extension and go to the app script. I have the code. I will show you and give you the code into the description, so you can download that code and paste that out or whatever you want to use, like the way same I have used that. So this is the old code for the my functions. The function, first function, that is our backlink metrics, and the second function is the helping that will extract the URL, that either this URL valid or not valid. The check availability of the live URL, is that a valid live URL or not the live URL. So now what you need to just go and save this code into the Google Sheet, and let me just run that side by side to see our progress. So what will happen our to this code? Just a moment. We'll have lost that. Yeah, here we have the sheet and the backend code. So I have opened this side by side, so that way we can just track and what is happening around with the sheet DADR. So let me just do some little bit zoom out and saving this code and running this code. So let's see what happens. And it will ask you about the permission, obviously, with the Google policies that we are uh, following all the Google policies here. All right, so yes, you need to also click on advance and then click on the untitled project and then select all and continue. So after that, it will just running the code. I see that there is the 96 live link and 92 live link, and this is not DA because the link is lost. And the same thing, there is not DA, the link is lost. So this is the thing that we have, make the backlinks for our team, and tell them is that live link or not. Let's just test one of that attendees.com. This is our one of the project, attendees.com for the attendance management. Let's see if I'm just checking that this link is live or not, and what is the DA. DA will be directly proportional to the domain authority of the website, like attendees.com. I'm just copying this URL and just pasting in my URL backlink column and trying to hit my code again, and you will see it will straightforward give me the result is that link is live or lost. So here you see that this link is live and the DA authority is 55, and you can also check that out, our authority of score, and this is live link. Yeah, so this is the demonstration so far regarding our, this is the backlink I have made for the tender system, and obviously if we just click on that, so we have all of this information available. So this is all for this, and I can just explain all of this code, but this is very simple code. You can just have the overview of that. I will share the code with you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will like the video and tell me about that in the comments. What should be the next you want to learn from us? Thank you so much.